Got a big hairy woodpecker eating suet. He's a handsome guy. I don't know if you can see the red on his head. Gotta be a little bit careful. They're kind of shy. If I move too quick, he'll take off. We have two hairy woodpeckers. This is the male, and there's this female also. And we also have two downy woodpeckers that are identical to this guy, but tiny in comparison. So we'll watch him try and get corn kernels out of the suet a little bit. I think is what he's after. And now we're going to go ahead and end it.